with aggregate of 63% in 2022, and I joined in this institute in July 15, 2022 with my friends, and I don't know about any programming languages that I joined for full stack development. I learned Java, SQL, web technology, all the courses, and Java is told by Vivek sir, and Lingras sir, web technology, SQL of course they helped me a lot to get a job. Finally, I got job in Envision Enterprise Solutions at Tech City. Thank you. Institute provide mock tests, assignments, and before we have to go to company, they provide grooming classes and aptitude classes. The aptitude class will be free for every student in JSpiders. And in marketing, got 1-1 in all the courses. And it has helped me a lot. Main Mamata ma'am, Bilkis ma'am, Sandhya ma'am.